Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about my Ecover Maker. Now, we're going to be going through some of the free features as well as what you can get in the paid features. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now this is my Ecover Maker, and what we're going to be looking at here is just the front area. Now, we're just having a look at what they actually can do here. Now, one of the things that I find really interesting about this one is it has the ability to remove the background from images, which is really good because you want to be able to do that. You want to make it that the entire thing is removable and the things you want to be able to keep. Now also too, they have pre-made templates that you can use to give you inspiration if you wish to. And if you're, say for example, a free member, you get access to see these, but you can't create these. You can't use these templates if you're a free member, but if you're a free member, you can create your own from scratch. But you can use this as inspiration. You can look at some of the images they've got there and you can go, oh, I like that image, I like that, and then you can get some inspiration and create something similar to that from scratch. Or if you want to, you can also just create your own design and so forth. Or if you decide to do what I did, and that is become a paid member, you can also use these. You can use these and just change them around to make them look really cool. Another thing you can do is you have, as you can see, you've got text effect, and you can choose the different text effects and the different textures and so forth if you wish to, and that just makes it look really nice. Now another thing you can do is you can blend images really easily just to make the image look a lot more unique and make it pop. Another thing you can do, as I said before, is easily remove the background behind an image. Now, it's maybe not as easy as they make out, but it's certainly doable, and it's not as hard as other things I've seen do. Plus, they've also got access to over 1.5 million images, and that's stock images that you can use anytime you want without having to do royalties or anything like that. So yeah, these are the prices if you want to have a look at that. You've got the free membership, obviously, which is you get 6 basic designs, you get full access to all features, but you'll have to pay for them as you go. If you, say for example, want to create your own images and so do various things that they have you've got to pay for, you'll need to actually pay for the individual covers as you go, which can actually be quite expensive as time builds up. Or you can go for the premium one, which is $14.91 a month, and you get $25,000 worth of pre-designed covers. You can create graphic banners and 1.5 stock images. But if you want to go the standard one, you got $8.25, and you can create unlimited covers, but you don't get access to the pre-designed covers, which is definitely worth it, really, when you think about it. And then yeah, so it's really just a matter of simply clicking on that. So let's actually go into the back end and have a proper look at it. Right, so I am actually a paid member of this site, and we're actually having a look at what we've got here. Now I chose to do this one just a little while ago, and even though it's got these ones the same there, if I click on that, I want to edit that. And you can scroll through and you can actually change things up a bit. So this is how it comes. So I'm going to go mastering, okay, on my marketing. I'm going to grab that image just down here. I can do that. You can put this up here if you wish to, and like that. And if you want to, you can add other things as well. You can add graphics if you want to, and various other things. You can upload images if you want to. You can change the font styles. Say for example you're on this one, these are the layers, and say for example you want to change this one up. Okay, so let's go here, double click on that. You can choose the different fonts by going here, and you can choose whichever one you want and make it look a bit different. You can make it completely unique if you wish to. Get rid of that one and just make it a little bit different. Let's go to that one, and we'll do the same for that one. What's it? Actually, wrong one. That's the one I want. Double click on that. Why are you not working? There we are. That's what I want. Now we can go back down here, click on that one. There we are. And of course you can resize it if you want to as well. Grabbing hold of the corner and just making it bigger and moving it to where you want it. It really is really easy. And yeah, you can make it any way you want. It's really simple. Now this is one of the pre-designed ones. Now let's go back over here and let's go have a look at the pre-designed covers and have a look at what you can get. Just going to click on that. Now obviously you can choose, look through some of these ones they've got here, and you can look at the various designs. But if you have a particular niche in mind, say for example you've got business, you have 78 designs you can look at on this one. So you can go through and you can just choose one that you think is interesting and one you wouldn't mind choosing from. And yeah, you might find one that you go, oh, I like this one. You click on that, and that brings you to this area here. Now as you can see, styles for startups, you can change certain aspects of it around, move it around, change it up. You can change colors if you wish to, or you can move that background altogether. You can just remove that. Let's say for example we'll delete that. You just hit that and you can just delete it if you wish to. Let me just have a look how to do that. Backspace, no, it's not letting me do it. Okay, but I think you just move it out of the way if you really want to. Take it off the screen. Change the size of that font by going like that and just scrolling it down. Move it over here. Grabbing that, bring it down. Moving that across here. Yeah, you can do a lot of different things with it if you wish to. Now if you want to bring this to the foreground, you get that and you just drag it up to the top and that brings it to the front. But yeah, I'd bring it down here where it's a little bit less because it's not as transparent as it could be. You can go like that and there you have it. Yeah, you can change it around, make it completely different if you want to change that image altogether. Just do that and move it off there and take it off the screen, and then you can just choose one you want. It's not hard to do. As you can see, I just removed it, and you can add different backgrounds if you wish to. You can choose the stock images that they choose, and yeah, you can use textures, or you can use, say for example, if you're going to be doing a background graphics. That was the wrong one. Background is what we're after. There we are, that one. And say for example you want to go people. Okay, so you just hit go, and you can see, have a look at what they've got here, or person. And just hit go. Now I like that one. And you might want to say something like mistakes. And of course you want to go here, spin that out. Move that one back up. Oh, let's move that 4 out of the way for 1 second. Start up to make, and then we can just change this one to make. And now you have a completely unique image. Yeah, a completely new cover. that you've just recreated in only a minute or two. And there you have it. It's really, really easy. Now, I love my eCover Maker. It's not as expensive as some of them out there, but it is a monthly one, or if you wish to, you can purchase a yearly aspect. Now, to upload this, all you have to do is hit finalize, and it starts to finalize it for you. I'll just wait for that to do its thing. It doesn't take long usually. It's pretty quick. And as you saw, I just rushed through that, and I made a completely unique image and a completely unique cover. And that was from the paid section, I will admit that. But as you can see, that's what the cover looks like. And I can have a look at the different kinds of backgrounds if I wish to. I can click on that. Actually, let's create a new cover. Click on that. Now I can choose from any one of these covers if I wish to, because I'm a paid member, but if you're a free member, you'll only get access to the first 6. Be this one. Actually, where are the free ones? Books. Yeah, you'll see where it says free on them, and binders, magazines, and yeah. So basically, as you go through, you just find the ones that say free, and they're the ones you will be allowed to use. So it's usually the first 6 that you come across that will be the first ones that you can use. However, as you can see, I can use a whole bunch of different kinds here, and I'm not limited to anything because I am a paid member and I've got it for a year. Now all we really need to do is go back up to the top here, go over here to where it says dashboard, scroll down to where it says background remover, click on that, and then all we need to do is go here to upload an image. We're just going to quickly upload this image. Now what we need to do is scroll in, so I'm going to use my mouse roller and scroll in a bit closer. Or you can use these here if you don't have a mouse roller, and get a bit closer. That way you can, when you go along here, that is not going to be too big, and you go around and you can just trace around the body or wherever it is you want to remove, and then you use this button here to be able to move the page around. You click back on that and you just go around and trace around the body. And to avoid having to waste too much time, I'm just going to pause the video until I have done this. Now, as you can see, I've done the outline. Now what I did was I initially grabbed hold of this one here and then went on the undo that, grab this and just trace on the inside what I want to keep, which is this area here. Everything on the inside essentially is what I'm wanting to keep. So this lets it know this is the areas that you don't want to lose. So by just doing a rough outline, it doesn't matter have to be perfect, just in doing that. Then we go this one and just do a very rough outline here, making sure you don't touch the actual image. So it just lets it know this is the area that you wish to remove. So it's the outside, so we just want to scroll around here. Pretty much everything out there is where we're wanting to get rid of it. So all you have to now do is hit convert. It's now converting it. And there you have your transparent image. And that's all you have to do. Okay. Let's go back and we'll click on that. And we'll go back to my eCover Maker. See if we can find those free ones, but no, it doesn't look like we can find them anywhere. Alright. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as hitting the bell icon, and And also, while you're at it, why not consider sharing the entire video? This way other people can get the benefit of it too. Now, as I said, this one is free, and the best part about that is you don't have to move across to these other ones, but you can use them as inspiration if you wish to. Now, let's say, for example, you have a free one you want to create. You can do, say, for example, you want to use this one, it's free, and then what you can do is you can then go to somewhere like Pexels, or you can go to Pixabay, download a background image that you think would work really well with that, and then just start adding some text and so forth to it and make it look really unique and nice. Alright guys, that's all for me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.